Welcome to English Talk Trail. Have you ever been at a cafe and felt nervous because you didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we will learn step by step how to order food confidently in English.
You're going to learn step by step.
What would you like to order?
What would you like to order tonight?
What would you like to order, Miss?
In this lesson, we have 4 parts. 1. Listening practice. 2. Vocabulary. 3. Listen and answer practice. 4. Shadowing practice. Stay with me, speak out loud, and by the end of this video, you will feel confident ordering food in English. Let's get started.
Part 1. Listening practice.
Listen, practice hard, play hard, study hard.
Listen, practice this.
In this part, you will listen to the full conversation at natural speed. Focus on the meaning and imagine yourself inside the cafe. Try to understand the flow of the conversation.
Hi, welcome to Sunshine Cafe. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And can I also have a blueberry muffin?
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Great. That will be $7.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Perfect. Can I have it to go?
Sure. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you so much.
Part 2. Vocabulary. In this part, you will learn important words and phrases from the cafe conversation. I will explain them in simple English and give you examples. Repeat after me.
Well, I know I gotta get a better vocabulary.
You know, I like to think of myself as happy and carefree, and I don't think those 2 words are in his vocabulary.
Welcome. A friendly greeting. Example. Welcome to my home. Example. Welcome to the cafe. Say it with me. Welcome. Cappuccino. A type of coffee with milk foam. Example. I drink cappuccino in the morning. Example. Do you want cappuccino or tea? Say it with me. Cappuccino. Medium. A size between small and large. Example. I want a medium coffee. Example. Can I get a medium pizza? Say it with me. Medium. Blueberry muffin. A sweet small cake with blueberries. Example. I like blueberry muffins for breakfast. Example. Can I have a chocolate muffin? Say it with me. Blueberry muffin. Order. To ask for food or drinks in a cafe or restaurant. Example. I want to order a sandwich. Example. She orders coffee every morning. Say it with me. Order. To go. Food or drink you take with you, not eat there. Example. I want my coffee to go. Example. Can I have this pizza to go? Say it with me. To go. Thank you. a polite way to show gratitude. Example: Thank you for your help. Example: Thank you for the coffee. Say it with me. Thank you. Here you go. Something you say when giving something to someone. Example: Here you go, your pen. Example: Here you go, your order. Say it with me. Here you go. Ready. Something is finished or prepared. Example: The food is ready. Example: Are you ready to go? Say it with me. Ready. Perfect. Used to show satisfaction. Example: This coffee is perfect. Example: Perfect. Let's start now. Say it with me. Perfect.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. In this part, you will answer questions about the cafe conversation. Speak your answers out loud before I give you the correct answer. Don't worry if you make a mistake, just try again.
It's not polite to answer a question with a question.
Did you know it's evasive to answer a question with a question?
Question: Who is the customer in the conversation? Answer: Anna is the customer. Question: What drink does Anna order? Answer: She orders a cappuccino. Question: What size does Anna want? Answer: She wants a medium. Question: What food does Anna want with her drink? Answer: A blueberry muffin. Question: How much is the order? Answer: $7.50. Question: Does Anna want to eat at the cafe? Answer: No, she wanted to go. Question: Who says, "Here you go"? Answer: Tom says, "Here you go." Question: How long will it take for the order? Answer: A few minutes. Question: What does Anna say to thank Tom? Answer: Thank you so much. Question: What is the first greeting Tom gives? Answer: Hi, welcome to Sunshine Cafe. How can I help you today?
Great. Keep going.
Part 4. Shadowing Practice. In this part, you will shadow the cafe conversation. Repeat each line right after the speaker. Copy the rhythm, stress, and intonation until it feels natural. We will do it twice, normal speed and slightly faster. Speak confidently.
Hi, welcome to Sunshine Cafe. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And can I also have a blueberry muffin?
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. That will be $7.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Perfect. Can I have it to go?
Sure, I'll pack it for you.
Thank you so much.
Now you can speak English confidently at a cafe. Keep practicing every day because repetition will make you fluent faster than you think. Come back tomorrow, shadow again, and grow step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe for more English practice, and leave a comment with your favorite phrase from today's lesson. For your next step, check out our video, Ordering Food in a Restaurant, Advanced Practice. See you there.